Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to charge other devices with Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So, first, there's no setting or like reverse wired charging in the settings. So, all you have to do is plug your phone into the USB-C cable. Once this phone is plugged in, we're gonna get another phone and plug it into the same cable. So for example, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max here, and as you guys can see, sometimes it will charge the Pixel, but if we just remove the cable and then enable it, not enable, but just put it inside again, it should work. So now let's just plug it in, and sometimes it may already start with the phone just like that, or it can start charging the Pixel. So you guys can also try replugging the cable, it will definitely work. And as you guys can see, now it's charging my phone, pretty fast charging, 48 minutes to 80%, and it's going out of this battery right here. So that's how you guys can easily charge other devices with your Pixel. Soon the battery should drop here from 97, but that's it. That's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.